Okay.
What the?
What up, fools?
Hello?
I'm a furry.
This was
What the? Why do I look like that?
oh. 1,
guys,
2, 3.
guys.
So
What the
What
I'm
up?
gonna assume an imposter is fucking licorice. But
no.
I don't. Yeah, it's Toby.
oh
Toby.
shit.
There's something.
Wait, where the fuck is Toby at?
I am scared. Oh my
It's that. Get
Oh,
away from me.
now.
I just see Toby.
Where'd you go? I see your ghost.
I'm scared.
I'm a ghost.
Wait, who's alive?
I'm alive. I'm scared.
Floor.
I'm gonna
How do I
get
wipe
you.
the floor? Oh, that was my
What the?
duh. That's
I-
my task. I'm just doing task now. Have fun, guys.
What the freak?
Where's Toby?
I
I
killed him.
Children.
I killed him.
You picked up children.
Why am I
I'm not
going?
in Rule 34, guys.
Toby, are you there still? Okay,
I'm
no.
a ghost.
You're a ghost.
Oh, me too.
I'm alive.
Okay,
You're the
wait,
Me
only
too.
person who's
Wait, no, I'm
alive.
dead.
you're the only person who's alive. Where the fuck are you?
Actually,
Oh
no,
my
what are you?
god.
How do I look?
You look amazing. You look amazing.
Oh, I see your body, Ash. Oh no, that's licorice.
I'm just
Wait,
gonna
what?
follow
Licorice is the imposter, bro.
I'm the
That who's?
Toby.
That who's? Who?
I'm the red one.
Oh.
I'm the purple one.
I see your dead.
Guys.
Oh, Ruby, kill yourself!
Oh shit, you just got caught in a trap. I can...
Stop! Get out of my face!
No!
I'm gonna get him. He.
Kill yourself.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
Where the fuck
I
did you
see
go?
you.
Oh. Go!
Come back. What does this do? Oh, I can run?
I'm stuck in the stairs.
No! I was hiding!
Oh,
What?
Okay, your name?
What?
Name.
Is there something wrong with my name?
Yes. Okay.
Guys, I fell. And I don't know
Oh
where.
no!
What do we do? Open the box.
Oh.
I was
Oh.
just about to open it. Oh, trap! Oh! I just placed a trap. Oh!
Oh.
Crap, okay.
What up, fool?
Pick up.
So what are we supposed to do?
Am I
I'm
not
not
allowed
really
to die?
sure.
I'm not allowed to live?
Where am I?
Is
Pick up
someone
battery.
dead?
What do I do with...
Someone's
Huh?
dead?
Oh. Okay, well, there's only one other option.
Dead.
What?
I'm gonna
Oh,
assume
wait, who the fuck is it?
that it's Key.
It's
Oh.
not me! What the fuck? Why you say that?
He. Why
What?
are you the imposter?
I am not!
I think it's Key.
Kill yourself. Kill yourself right now.
Okay, sure.
No, Rule 34 died.
Stop.
I hate. I hate.
Okay,
Great, I can't wait to die. Guys, I'm scared.
so We know who the imposter is, obviously. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Bye guys!
Oh my god, he didn't see me!
Guys, rule 34, he's gonna get us.
Go! Run!
This is the
Run!
corner.
Can you even see me? Wait. Can you guys see me?
See you where?
Oh, I guess you guys can. I guess only the imposter could see me. Well, I'm gonna do my tasks. Have fun, guys.
Did you guys die?
He's like right behind me.
Where am I?
I trapped him.
What?
Guys, he's chasing me.
Oh my god. Oh, what's that, fool?
Why is bro so scary? Wait.
No, actually,
like-
though, why are they so scary?
Because they're white!
Help.
Did he get you?
No.
Oh,
Is that you?
Trap, you're
You
okay.
scared me. You scared me.
No, run, 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 run. He's coming for you. He's right behind you. Go. Run the other way, Red. Go, 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 go.
Guys,
Don't turn in there. Don't turn in there.
I found a baby.
Shut up! Shut up! Leave me alone.
No, I can't see him.
Oh, I fucking. Oh, where did I go?
How do I do this?
You click on it.
Oh, don't leave him to me, please.
What? How the fuck did I do that?
Oh, shit. He's coming
I
up the
can't
stairs.
see him.
Go. Go.
Oh.
Go. Go.
Oh!
help you
It's
guys.
you! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Go, leave me alone!
Me?
Leave me alone! Get out of here!
Key. The imposter is a robot.
I changed. I'm hiding.
It's a computer.
My balls are sweaty.
Why are you hiding?
I'm not
Start
the
fighting.
imposter. It's a straight up robot.
Like, I got a baby.
I got a baby. Key, you're pregnant?
Yeah!
That's so crazy.
Scared me.
You scared me too. I have a task in here. I just don't know where it is.
I'm trying to find you guys. Where the fuck did you guys go? I'm
I don't-
already dead.
I'm
so-
upstairs. There's a
My
little map.
hands are so cold.
There's a map in the corner.
Oh, obvious.
How did I end up in the captain's deck? What the fuck? Oh shit! Why is he coming after me? Ew! I'm already dead, dumbass!
Just keep him distracted.
Wait.
He looked at me and then ran away. No, hey, hey man. Let's talk about this.
I think we just
We
have
have
to find all the
Big
babies.
table left.
Oh, I'm doing my tasks. I don't know.
There's 5 more babies.
I got like a green one.
I'll produce some babies.
There's my dead body. Bitch. How dare he kill me? The audacity. Oh! He's turning around. He's going into wherever the fuck this is.
He walked right past me.
Oh good.
I think there's emotes in this game.
Yeah. Toby, are you two
Whoever
or
before is.
okay? Toby. Oh!
I'm 3.
Guys, I'm 2.
I got jump scared. I saw the imposter.
Motherfucker, run! Run the other way, Red. Run the other way.
Ah, what the hell? Leave me alone. Kill yourself. I'm dead.
Somebody died.
Oh. 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 Whoa. Whoa.
He's coming.
Whoa.
Whoa there. He's coming.
Oh wow.
Oh, well,
Oh wow.
He just turned around to leave.
I'm
we'll
stuck.
protect you as ghosts.
Yeah,
We're right here.
yeah, we're
You
here,
can't see us,
bro.
but we're here.
Wait,
Wow,
is
you
it again?
Following me super intensely right now.
Okay. Toby is number 3, and Toby's all the way over there.
My
Okay,
name is
so-
literally Nib Rule 34, guys. I'm literally the red one.
Yeah, you're
You're
all.
number 3.
Well,
Okay,
give
so
the
you're the red
corner.
one
Up, run.
and
Did he just leave?
Yeah,
keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running.
he's right behind you.
Go, go,
I'm just.
motherfucker. Hold on, let me check this hallway. Don't go into that hallway yet. Hold on.
Hold on. He's right in there. He's right there. He's
for you.
right there behind that thing. I can't.
I'm literally looking for every single baby I can.
You guys are getting.
Babies have been found.
I
You're a ghost. You can help team accomplish one goal at a time, and you can also bring astronaut batteries. Really? I did not know that.
He's right in the
Why
hallway.
is
Don't
it
go in there.
Run! Go!
I'm going.
Okay, I'm gonna follow the imposter.
I'm gonna follow Licorice. Oh, I lost him. So, I see Licorice. What up, bro?
I'm following the imposter.
I'm following a Licorice.
I don't know
Toby,
where
he's
the
coming
baby
your
is.
direction. Toby, he's
Where's
coming your
the
direction.
Give me one.
I
See,
get
bro.
He has a habit of like the moment I start hiding, he just runs away.
He
I've
does.
literally been stuck
Oh,
in this room.
snap.
This whole time. I can't get out because the second I do, he starts like going back for me.
I've
I've been
literally
stuck in this
finished all
this
my
whole time.
tasks. Oh my god, Licorice, he's coming after you, Licorice.
Oh my god, wait. Hold on, I have to juke him.
I'll keep on
He
guard for
literally,
you.
like-
I'll keep guard for
Oh,
you.
he turned around. He turned around.
Because I left the room.
Oh shit, he's coming after you. He's coming after you.
I'll tell you which one he's coming in.
I see
Oh,
him,
shit.
guys.
I'll give you this battery.
Give me one, Michaelie. I'm
I'm gonna open my legs.
Okay. Pick up. And what can
This
I?
Go, Toby, go, Toby.
There's like a green dot.
I'm hiding right behind you.
On my map, there's like a green
Bro, turned
dot.
around.
Oh,
You're
that's
good.
me. That's me. I'm following you.
Okay.
Oh, the green dot? Is-
I don't think that's. Oh, wait a minute. I don't think. I don't. I don't think you can see me, but I don't know if that. Yeah, I don't know what that green dot is. But
Me neither.
But I'm following you.
Wonderful.
Oh shit, he's coming back. He's coming back. Give me one, Margaret. God damn it, Q. Fuck you.
No, Licorice. I'm not gonna scare you, but he's right in that hallway.
I'm trying to find the fucking babies.
Okay, Toby, stay in shields because the imposter's in navigation right now. Go to the office. I'm in the office right now. Actually, you're with me right now.
This is coming my way. I need to go the other way.
Oh my god, I can see myself as a ghost. That's amazing.
You can?
Yeah, like if you click the little camera underneath the pause button.
I can go in.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh, that's amazing. I'm gonna go and find you, Key. Wherever the fuck you are.
I'm following Licorice. I'm following number 2.
We're literally right next to each other, basically.
Oh shit.
just
Well,
hiding.
I'm lost. I'm on the other side of the fucking place. Let me just do a whole turnaround.
Give me one. Oh, I see Toby. Hi, Toby.
Alright.
I don't see anybody. I am lost.
Haha, loser. You gotta be all alone.
Shut the fuck up,
Ha!
gay.
Mm.
Give me
Cocksucker.
one margarita.
Like a couple seconds left.
I know.
16,
But we failed to find all
15,
those babies.
14.
Where are all the babies?
I'm gonna keep on watch
I
for you,
tried
Licorice.
finding a baby.
Oh,
What?
I fucking lost him. Shit. Oh, there you are.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Kill yourself.
Coming up with random ass names at this point. Alrighty, let's go.
Yippee!
Oh.
Oh my god. Oh no. Toby's gonna give
Where
us.
the fuck am I? Oh, is there
Oh
a head?
He's the.
Toby's gonna give us. Oh my god. Toby's gonna give us
Wait,
the
guys.
gay flu.
Guys, why
I
don't we? Should we just all hide?
I know.
I found an.
Oh shit. Oh, I'm so smart.
Where is he?
Key, come the fuck over here.
Where are you?
Come over here.
Oh! Shit!
This bitch.
I'm lost, you guys.
Guys, I just
I'm
got
not.
I just got an ad.
Mid game is crazy.
And it's like Elsa and she's half naked.
Key, I'm coming for you.
You're what?
No!
I'm on my way, bro. There we go. Gonna make it sound less homosexual.
Wherever you are, I'm being.
Oh fuck! Fuck that shit.
Wait.
Parkour!
Nah, yo.
Parkour! Parkour! Parkour!
How to actually?
Parkour! 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 Oh, I see a baby! Parkour!
You see a baby? Where?
Parkour! Parkour!
Wait. Okay.
Parkour. Parkour.
Fuck!
Wait, how's
My
that?
parkour! My parkour skills got me. Oh.
Shit. I'm hiding. I'm hiding.
You're gonna find one.
I see them!
I'm hiding.
What the?
Wait.
Oh.
Parkour!
Kill myself.
Parkour!
Parkour!
I'm scared.
Parkour!
Guys, I'm scared.
Where the fuck? Oh.
Get the fuck away from me.
Parkour! Baby!
Scared. Guys, I'm scared.
I have zero clue where you are, actually.
I lost Ash. Shit. Oh, Toby, he was right there. Right there.
I think you can probably glitch through the. Whoopsie.
I just got another ad mid-game.
I'm stuck.
I'm so scared.
Ash, I'm scared.
Hey.
Who just got me? Who just got me? I'm stuck. Help.
Oh,
How did you... Wait, what are you... Hey, maybe get away from me.
Am I the only person
Yes!
alive right now?
I don't even know how I got found.
I don't either, actually.
Give me
it was
one.
an accident.
give me one. Give me one, Margarita.
It gave me the option to like get someone, and I was just like, okay, and I clicked it.
Wait.
I like accidentally went into
Parkour.
a vent, I think.
Parkour.
If I could cry right now, I would. I'm so scared right now. Ra-ta-ta-ta.
I'm in the ghetto. Ah-ta-ta-ta.
Fuck, did I manage to get in here? What the hell?
Wait a minute.
T-Mobile is crazy. Oh, what the fuck?
Why is it blue?
What's up?
I'm scared. So it's just a normal Among Us?
I guess so. Alrighty.
No, because there's no tasks. All you do is hide.
Oh, why the fuck did I pick the maze?
I'm scared.
Bro, you're the imposter.
Oh yeah,
Wait,
yeah.
no, Ash is the imposter.
We're in this.
Booga booga.
We're in the same spot.
Taco chimichanga.
Knife rule 34. We're in the same spot.
Oh my god. Hold
Oh,
on.
wait, I can do that? Oh,
Do what?
Oh, I'm scared.
Do what? I got a bear trap.
what the fuck?
Scared.
Nacho
Bro, you
taco chimichanga. That song stuck in my head.
I'm in the ghetto. Ratatata.
Ratatata.
Guys, I'm scared.
Where the fuck are you guys?
I'm not
Hiding.
gonna tell you because then you'll get me.
I don't know where I am.
No way, bro.
I just saw a
That's
vent.
crazy.
Did I? Oh my
What?
god.
Can you guys see
Not
the
so
emojis I send in chat?
Yeah.
Wait. Wait. Hold on. Enter your message.
I'm like aggressively searching right now. What the fuck? Okay.
I saw him on camera.
This bitch. I forgot I look like that. Ew! Okay. Where's this area at?
What the fuck?
Hey, I can see the chat too, asshole. I'm just kind of like searching, to be honest. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm a terrible imposter.
I'm scared.
I waddle. I literally waddle in this game, bro. Nacho taco chimichanga. Imposter. Where the fuck are you guys? Are you guys like walking around or nah?
Yeah.
The
Very
fuck? Am I just that
actively
bad?
walking around. I have
What?
to go poo again.
Bro has to go piss again?
I don't know.
Oh, I can look on the cameras?
Sorry, but these are so funny. These responses.
Oh.
I'm literally just clicking these options. They're so funny.
Why am I such a bad imposter, guys?
I don't think.
Are you in the maze? Where are you guys? I want to see you.
All in the maze, dumbass. Bro, Ash, you suck at being an imposter.
Thanks, bro. What the fuck? Where am I supposed to go? Oh! Okay. So you're down here. Okay.
I'm
I
scared.
didn't even know I could. I just saw the camera. So. Wait, where the fuck am I going? Oh, wait. Pause. Hold on. Wait. Pause. Hold Hold on. Wait. I only got 4, 3, 2.
I
What the fuck?
Alright, who's the imposter? Oh. We got this
Nordy,
kid.
Nort.
Oh no! No! Anyone but
No,
Nordy.
why is everybody saying no? Da, da, da. Dun, 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 dun. Da, da, da. Where's everybody at?
I don't know, I just saw you.
Ooh, we could do parkour in this one.
Parkour!
Parkour! Who the fuck was downstairs? Oh, anyways. Nacho taco.
Chimichangas.
Chimichanga.
Ah!
Parkour.
Kill yourself.
Whoa! Scared me. You fucking scared me. Nacho taco. Chimichanga. Cause it's
After, like, dying.
beautiful.
No, I can't text you guys.
Push you. Go down. Go.
Okay.
Commit suicide.
Lol. I love laughing, and these emojis are so goofy. I'm gonna put a trap here. Did I just fall in my own trap? Oh, no, I didn't. Okay.
Parkour.
Can I jump up here? Hold on.
I saw him on the camera. Ow.
Wait, what?
Look at the chat. Oh no, someone's dead.
Oh no! Where is that?
Run, Ash! I'm dead! Do parkour! Oh wait, that's not parkour! Ashy Washy, where are you?